Hi, I'm Santiago Chillobiaus, and I'm going to talk about the Enlightenment movement. When did Enlightenment occur? Enlightenment occurred during the 18th century, and it was protagonized by 5 thinkers. What was the purpose of Enlightenment? The purpose of Enlightenment was to resolve their question, that it was if it was rational to control people or not. In this movement, there were 5 different thinkers. The first one was Thomas Hobbes, the second, John Locke, this is Montesquieu, then Rousseau, and finally, the last thinker, Voltaire. Thomas Hobbes was the first Enlightenment thinker. He said that people were bad and selfish, and within that, they take bad decisions. So what he proposed to do, it was to have a person superior than them for taking their decisions. For example, an absolute monarch. John Locke was the second Enlightenment thinker. He said that what Thomas Hobbes said was wrong. He said that people were born by 3 natural rights, with 3 natural rights. Those rights were life, property, and liberty, and he wanted to create a government that protects those rights. Montesquieu was the third Enlightenment thinker. He said he questioned what if the government uses its power for taking off your natural rights? So he proposed the separation of powers in 3: executive, legislative, and judicial. Rousseau was the fourth Enlightenment thinker. He created the social contract in the year 1748. This social contract protects your natural rights. What means this? This means that the government can take you away these rights, life, liberty, and property. This contract was called Rousseau's social contract. Also, he developed many progressive ideas in education. He believed that girls' education should mainly teach how to be a helpful mom or wife. Voltaire was the last Enlightenment thinker. He wanted to divide the church from the government. For what? For having individual freedom. Because if the government was connected with the church, the government will decide what do you need to believe and what you don't need to believe. Also, he go to prison 2 times and write more than 70 books. Enlightenment positive effects. Enlightenment positive effects, for example, one was that believe in the progress. He said Adam Smith believed that people that think individually can help the economy, and that if people this effect make people progress and discover more things. Before Enlightenment, people think that the universe was created by God. But then after this movement, that changed. People started to think that other people created our world and not only God. This is all. Hope you have learned, and see you in the next video.